In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your saved browser passwords on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select where it says Passwords and Autofill, and then select Password Manager. This will list out all of your passwords here. You can also upload it as a CSV file or add custom passwords for websites too. And then you would select Save to add them and populate them in the list here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.